Welcome to Mega MFG.
Netherlands is a country that should not exist. A third lies below sea level. Built against the odds. Walls hold back the sea, but the battle is daily. This is a war the Dutch must win forever. Draining peat soil makes the land sink dangerously fast. The sea never stops its slow, patient advance. The first dikes were simple earth walls. They broke often. The Dutch never stopped building higher. In 1932, a 32-kilometer dam was built. It permanently changed the Dutch map. In 1953, the sea broke through. A massive storm killed thousands. It changed everything. Over 200 drowned, 70,000 displaced. The Dutch government knew everything had to change. The Delta Works were born from tragedy. They are the world's most advanced flood defense system. The Oosterscheldekering is 9 kilometers long. It is both a defense and a bridge for marine life. The Delta Works protect an entire region. They are a statement that the Dutch will never surrender to the sea. Hydraulic arms control the massive gates. They move with precision to block storm surges. 65 concrete piers stand guard. They protect the coast from the sea's worst fury. The foundations are sunk deep into the seafloor. They hold against tides, storms, and time. 62 steel gates, each weighing hundreds of tons. They can close within minutes when a storm approaches. The Delta Works form a continuous web of protection. They shield millions of people who live below sea level. The Maeslantkering protects Europe's largest port. Its two arms are each 210 meters long. The arms float into position, then fill with water to sink and close the waterway. A brilliant concept. If a storm surge threatens Rotterdam, the Maeslantkering closes, protecting the port and its millions. When closed, the Maeslantkering becomes a solid wall. It can withstand the most powerful storms. The hinges endure immense pressure. They are engineered to last for generations. The Dutch are now making room for the river. They let water in, so it cannot drown them. By moving dikes back, they create space for water. It protects cities and towns downstream.
Engineers no longer just build walls. They design landscapes that work with water, not against it.
The sand motor is a new idea. Wind and waves spread the sand naturally, reinforcing the coast. They let nature do the heavy lifting. The sand motor is proof that humans can work with the sea. Every hour of every day, they monitor the sea. The water must be watched without pause. Data flows constantly from thousands of sensors. The system can detect a threat before it arrives. After every storm, the dikes are inspected. Repairs are made before the next surge arrives. Modern dikes are not just earth walls. They are carefully engineered systems built to resist centuries of water. This is the new Dutch reality. Not winning, but not losing. A continuous balance with the sea. More than 1,000 square kilometers reclaimed from the sea. Land was born. This lake was once a massive inland sea. Dutch ingenuity drained it completely. They used windmills to pump water up and out. The land slowly appeared. Wooden gears and ancient wooden shafts. They pumped the sea away by hand. Centuries of work, mapped across time. The coast grew outward, piece by piece. Every day, millions of liters are pumped out. The land must stay dry.
A network of pumps and canals moves water across the country. The system is vast.
Sluice gates release water when the sea allows. Timing is everything. Thousands of sensors track the water. Every centimeter is monitored. The sun rises on a country that should not exist. Yet it does. The world watches the Dutch closely. Many coastal cities now face the same existential risk. Dutch engineers are now global advisors. They export their water knowledge worldwide. Sea levels are rising faster than ever. The Netherlands must adapt yet again. The barriers are evolving. They will need to hold back rising seas forever. God created the world, but the Dutch created the Netherlands. The battle never ends. International experts study the Dutch engineering system that holds back the relentless sea. Amphibious architecture emerges as the next step in adapting to a changing climate. Soil continues to sink as peat oxidizes, making water management increasingly challenging.
Underground water storage acts like a sponge, holding water until it is needed.
The Dutch know this battle is eternal, but they refuse to ever surrender to the sea.
Billions of euros are invested yearly to maintain the Dutch flood defense system.
This investment is a national priority, ensuring the nation's survival and future. Officials monitor the sea around the clock, ready to respond instantly to any threat. Every storm is a new test. The defenses are designed to handle the worst nature can offer.
This is the Dutch story. A story of survival, innovation, and an unbreakable will.
Dutch engineering is now a model for the world, proving that survival is possible.
The Netherlands shows that a nation can thrive by learning to live harmoniously with the sea.
The Dutch have accepted that the battle with the sea will never truly be won.
But they have proven that they can adapt, innovate, and endure every challenge.
God created the world, but the Dutch created the Netherlands, a country that proves human ingenuity can overcome nature's toughest challenges.
The next generation of Dutch engineers is being educated to safeguard their nation's future.
The Dutch model offers solutions for cities worldwide confronting rising sea levels.
For the Dutch, the fight against the sea is deeply personal. It is a matter of survival. They know the sea will always come back, but they will always be ready.
The Netherlands is proof that human ingenuity can overcome even the most powerful forces of nature.
Dutch engineering is now a model for the world, proving that survival is possible.
The Netherlands shows that a nation can thrive by learning to live harmoniously with the sea.
The Dutch have accepted that the battle with the sea will never truly be won.
But they have proven that they can adapt, innovate, and endure every challenge.
God created the world, but the Dutch created the Netherlands, a country that proves human ingenuity can overcome nature's toughest challenges.
Dutch waters are guarded around the clock. They cannot afford to look away. Water is managed everywhere. It is woven into the fabric of daily life. Every family in the Netherlands has a story tied to water. They practice for the worst. They hope for the best. This is not the end. It is a moment of peace before the next challenge.
The world is watching the Dutch approach to water management with rising seas.
Sea levels are rising everywhere. The Dutch model is now being exported worldwide.
The Dutch know that the fight against the sea is relentless. But they also know how to build resilience, and that is their greatest strength. The Dutch were forged by the sea, and they will never surrender to it.
This is what Dutch resilience looks like. A nation that thrives where others would fail.
The Dutch have shown that nations can adapt to rising seas and build a sustainable future. This is the spirit that built the Netherlands. A refusal to accept defeat. And it is a spirit the rest of the world can learn from. For the Dutch, the fight against the sea is an eternal battle, but it is also the foundation of their identity.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is information only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.